exploring the timeless legacy of Bryan Adams, his life, hits, and untold stories. On July 13, 1985, Bryan Adams took the stage at Live Aid, delivering a performance that reverberated around the globe. His energetic set at the monumental charity concert not only entertained millions, but also cemented his status as a key influencer in global music events. Born on November 5, 1959, in Kingston, Ontario, Bryan Adams embarked on his musical journey at a young age. Inspired by his travels with his diplomat parents, his exposure to various cultures enriched his early musical style, laying the groundwork for his diverse career. Adams's third studio album, Cuts Like a Knife, released in 1983, marked a significant breakthrough. With hits like the title track and Straight from the Heart, the album not only defined rock music in the 80s, but also set the stage for his international acclaim. Summer of 69 Inches is perhaps Bryan Adams' most iconic song, encapsulating nostalgia and youthful enthusiasm. The backstory, rumored to be a reflection of Adams' own musical aspirations and adventures, helped the song become a cultural anthem for generations. Bryan Adams' raspy voice became his hallmark, distinguishing him in the rock music scene. This unique vocal texture added an emotional depth to his songs, resonating with audiences worldwide and becoming synonymous with his name in the music industry. Bryan Adams' collaborations with other artists have significantly shaped his career, bringing diverse influences that enriched his rock sound. His joint efforts with icons like Tina Turner and Sting provided a broader platform, showcasing his versatility and ability to cross musical genres. Venturing beyond music, Adams has established himself as a respected photographer. His keen eye for detail parallels his musical precision, capturing raw emotions and moments just as he does with his lyrics. This artistic crossover has opened new avenues for his creative expression. The album, Reckless, is a cornerstone in Bryan Adams' career, encapsulating the fervor and spirit of 80s rock. Hits like Run to You and Heaven not only dominated the charts, but also helped cement Adams' status as a rock legend. Adams' contribution to film music is highlighted by the iconic ballad, Everything I Do It For You, from the 1991 film Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves. This song not only topped international charts, but also earned him a Grammy, reinforcing his impact on film soundtracks. Through his involvement in the Hear the World campaign, Adams has used his influence for humanitarian efforts, advocating for better hearing health and support worldwide. This role underscores his dedication to making a difference beyond the music and entertainment industry. Bryan Adams left an indelible mark at the closing ceremony of the 2010 Winter Olympics in Vancouver. His electric performance brought together millions of viewers worldwide, celebrating both his legacy and the international spirit of the Games. Adams' influence extends beyond his own generation, serving as a mentor to younger artists in the music industry. His guidance and experience have helped shape the careers of numerous emerging stars, ensuring the continuation of quality music craftsmanship. Through the decades, Bryan Adams has continuously evolved his musical style, seamlessly adapting to changing tastes while retaining his core rock sensibilities. This ability to evolve has kept him relevant in a fast-changing music landscape. His induction into the Canadian Music Hall of Fame was a pivotal moment, recognizing his contributions to music both at home and internationally. It underscored his status as one of Canada's most cherished musical icons. Bryan Adams' advocacy for animal rights and his vegan lifestyle reflect his commitment to ethical and sustainable practices. His passion for these causes has inspired fans and fellow artists alike to consider more humane and environmentally friendly choices. Bryan Adams' live performances are a spectacle of raw energy and impassioned delivery that captivate audiences worldwide. His ability to connect with fans through powerful vocals and dynamic stage presence makes each show memorable, setting him apart in the live music scene. In his songwriting process, Adams collaborates closely with longtime partner Jim Vallance. Together, they craft lyrics and melodies that resonate deeply with listeners, blending heartfelt emotion with rock vigor. This partnership has produced some of the most iconic songs in rock history. Bryan Adams has left an indelible mark on the rock genre with his distinctive sound and heartfelt lyrics. His music, characterized by its earnest delivery and relatable themes, continues to enjoy widespread popularity, influencing new generations of musicians and fans alike. Through his diverse roles in film and television, Bryan Adams has demonstrated a multifaceted talent. His brief foray into acting and his substantial contributions to soundtrack music have broadened his appeal and showcased his versatility beyond the music stage. Adams' global tours are celebrated for their cultural diversity, drawing fans from various backgrounds and countries. This universal appeal is a testament to his widespread influence and ability to touch hearts across different cultures with his music. Bryan Adams' approach to music videos has always been an integral part of his artistic expression. His videos often encapsulate the essence of his songs, enhancing the emotional and narrative depth, making them memorable additions to his musical repertoire. Throughout his career, Bryan Adams has demonstrated a profound commitment to various causes through his charity concerts. His efforts have supported everything from natural disaster relief to education and health initiatives, showcasing his dedication to making a difference beyond the music stage. Adams' extensive collection of awards and recognitions speaks volumes about his influence in the music world. His accolades include prestigious international awards, which underscore his global appeal and enduring popularity across diverse audiences and cultural landscapes. Beyond music, Bryan Adams has left a significant mark in popular culture. His work has influenced fashion, photography, and even social activism, proving that his talents and passions extend far beyond the recording studio. In recent years, Bryan Adams has continued to produce music that resonates with both new and longtime fans. His latest albums explore fresh sounds while maintaining the heartfelt lyricism and rock-driven energy that have characterized his work for decades. Bryan Adams' embrace of digital music platforms has significantly extended his reach, allowing fans across generations to experience his timeless rock anthems. His strategic presence on Spotify and Apple Music has not only revived his classics, but also introduced his new singles to a global audience. Adams' recent collaborations with modern artists and producers have infused fresh energy into his music, keeping it relevant in today's rapidly evolving music scene. These partnerships reflect his adaptability and willingness to experiment with new sounds while staying true to his rock roots. Through decades of chart-topping hits and impactful live performances, Bryan Adams has cemented his legacy in the music world. Future musicians can learn from his dedication to craft, his ability to adapt to changing musical eras, and his commitment to authenticity. Reflecting on Bryan Adams' illustrious career, it's clear that his contributions to music are both profound and enduring. From Summer of 69 Inches to his humanitarian efforts, Adams has not only defined a genre, but also used his platform to effect positive change. To delve deeper into the stories behind Bryan Adams' iconic tracks and explore his influence on music and beyond, consider subscribing to Music Educator. Stay tuned for more insightful content that bridges the past with the present in the music industry.